In this video, we will go through step by step how to turn a raw screenshot into a professional render using the Archifluids AI software. First, I want to start by using the Banana module. We drag and drop the raw image we got from SketchUp or similar programs here. To address the landscape and background deficiencies in our scene, we select either the soft or contrast models and let the AI enrich the scene. Among the generated variations, we choose and download the image with the most successful composition and landscape. Next up is the Starfield module. At this stage, we can adjust the light and color balance of the selected image. By using ready-made presets, we give our scene a livelier spring atmosphere and take realism one step further. For more specific adjustments, we move on to Orange Studio. Thanks to the local edit feature here, we can change unwanted areas in the scene using only text prompts. For example, we can remove the paving stones on the left and replace them with a tree trunk, or erase the people in the pool within seconds. Our image has taken shape, but we need to increase its resolution. By using the Papaya module, we upscale the image to 4K resolution and make the textures appear much sharper. At high resolution, sometimes human faces can become distorted. To fix this, we activate the Carrot module. When we select the people in the image and start the process, the AI repairs the figures and facial features, making them much more realistic. Now we can use our image like this. If you like, let's talk a bit about the Coconut module, which is the platform's most powerful module. Here, we will first use the multi-match render feature. Although this feature normally works with multiple images for style consistency, we triggered the system's Pro Engine by uploading just a single image. This process re-renders the image directly in 4K quality, taking the lighting, materials, and details to the highest level. Although this stage is costly, the photorealistic results we achieve are definitely worth it. To make the final touches on this flawless render we've obtained, we move on to Coconut's 4K Edit Canvas section. Here, we can make both detailed and general changes. With local selections and by writing notes, we can add a family eating in the scene or a cat on the grass. Finally, by giving a global command, we can flawlessly transform the entire scene from a daytime to a nighttime atmosphere. With the revisions we've made and the general commands we've given, we ensure that the visual is reprocessed and returned to us. This takes just a few minutes in total. As a result, in about 5 to 10 minutes, we obtain a professional render with strong atmosphere and detailed 4K resolution, starting from a raw model.